Hello, everybody. This is Johnny Blaze once again coming to you live here on 2023 Fireworks Stash Update. This is pretty much what I got going right now. I don't have nothing fancy like Cody B. I can't catch up to Backyard Fireworks yet. Philly P. Pyro. All the good guys out there. You know who you are. This is just the good stuff that makes you happy. Maybe this will be a little clearer video than the ones I've done. I'm not too good at this, so bear with me. This is just a little bit of everything we got going on for 2023. I'm sure you guys are all familiar with all that good stuff. You already know what it's called. But I thought I'd like to share a little bit of everything with you guys. Got some crackling blooms with reports. Flash crackers, torpedoes. Tons of canister shells. You know how we play with those. Got some nice cakes back here. My girandola. Like I said, it's not the fanciest, but you know, I'm an old guy. I like to get out there and still enjoy the holidays, and I hope you all do too with your families. I hope everyone's healthy, safe, and having a good time this year with your loved ones. Once again, I just thought I'd like to share my 2023 firework update with y'all. God bless y'all. To all our soldiers out there, thank you. Thank you for your service. I love you all. I appreciate you all. And God bless you all this year and every year. And I just hope everything turns out for the best in the years to come. God bless one and all. I'll be leaving you now with the Johnny Blaze 2023 official firework update.